Carnival is the fun ship. So we're going to tell you how to maximize your fun and minimize your price. Ready? Let's go. The number one thing you got to do is book immediately and book with price protection. So you'll lock the price in. So just in case the price goes up, you're locked in. But in case the price goes down, you can always reprice it because of the price protection.
We just did this for our upcoming group cruise. We already saved $100.
Book immediately.
Check it out.
So this is something we did twice. We did it in May, this year and last year. We booked a 6-day cruise instead of a 7-day cruise. And the advantage of that is you get the same ship, the same shows, the same ports. What you do is you lose one sea day and you save about $200. Yeah. So do 6 days instead of 7.
If you don't know who we are, I'm Jacita.
And I'm Zaire from Petway Travel. Today, we're talking about ways to save money.
All right, y'all. So the next tip is to go on your cruise when school is in.
Yeah.
And that's going to be from the end of August all the way to May.
Right.
And see, this is why.
This is what I tell all my clients is to book a group because your travel agent actually has some discounts they can throw in there. Best case scenario is you can actually travel with huge discounts. I'm talking about you could actually sell for free. Yeah, book a group.
Next, consider booking an older ship because sometimes they're in less demand. So like the Legend, Paradise, or the Glory.
I know, babe, something you love doing is you love booking with me
Of course
as your
I
travel
do.
agent. Yeah, well, I'm giving out things like discounts, gifts, onboard credit. Yeah, call a travel agent.
So think about booking an interior versus a balcony, especially if you're going on a shorter sailing because you're not going to be in your room that much.
Yeah. Here's a novel idea. What if you became a travel agent? What if you give yourself your own discounts, your own credits, your own gifts? In the past, I've had opportunities to sell for free. I've had some crazy discounts. I never pay full price for a cruise. Yeah, why don't you become a travel agent?
All right, y'all. So these are some of the tips that we have found to help people save money as they are maximizing their fun.
Not people, us. we people.
So hopefully this has helped and has given you some ideas to try. Until the next time, peace.
Check out this video next.